Welcome back in the second session of the flash fill. By now you have got very much idea how the flash fill works. We have deliberately put some issues and challenges in every example so that we can make you understand what kind of problem you can face while you are working with the flash fill. So let's take more example and more advanced example to make you understand the features of the flash fill. So let's start with the next. Say we have some names over here and we want to provide the email ID to all of them. We have email ID extension rkstutorials.com. So here we make a sample email ID. Let's start with r.k.soni@rkstutorials.com, and we want same ID for all. We simply select all the cells and use the same command, Control E, or we press flash fill. So we press flash fill. Here we go. If we check with the original data, John D. Vito, it took as a J. Vito, and Mr. Sumer, it took as a M. Sumer. So here we have some problem in these two ID. Why? In every names, the first letter is the capital letter and rest are the small letter, but here it is not the case. The problem created due to Vito, where first letter is the small letter, and in case of Mr. Sumer, it took M from the first word and the second as a Sumer. So first of all we change these two names, we remove it, and now rectify the problem. Here we put V in capital, and instead of Mr. Sumer we write suppose Kumar. Now we again apply the flash fill, Control E. Now it is J D Vito and K Kumar, K Sumer. Let's take another example. Here we have some mobile numbers and we want to convert them in this format. So simply we write 9076, then 543 and 290. We select all the cells and press Ctrl E. Here we go. In next example, we want hyphen between all these digits. We write again 9076, then hyphen 543 290, and select all the cells, press Ctrl E, the short command of flash fill. In the third example, we want mobile number before the mobile number in text. So we simply write mob dot space no dot 9076 543 and 290. We simply select all cells and press Ctrl E. Here we go. Let's take another example. Here we want to put country code before the mobile number. So we type plus 919076 543 290, and when we press enter it will create problem. Here it is. Why? Because Excel, when you start something with plus or minus sign, Excel take it as a formula, but here we don't want to put formula, we want to put the number. So how we can solve this problem? We remove it. You start the number with the quote signs, single quote, and now write the number 919076 543 and 290 and press enter. Here we go. Select all the cells and press Ctrl E. This is the one way you start it with the quote sign, and the second option is delete it. Select all the cells and from journal you select the text, and now you can again do it directly. 91 space 9076 543 and 290, enter. Select all the cells and press Ctrl E. So there is a two way you can do it. Let's take another example. We have some PAN card numbers over here and we want to extract the pair category. The fourth letter in the PAN card shows the category of the pair. So first of all we extract the fourth letter. It is B. But if you check, the B is occur in the PAN card 2 times. So better we take another input to the flash fill so that it will not create problem. So we take another example, suppose this one, we take the J from it. Now we provide 2 inputs to the flash fill to work upon. Now we select and press Ctrl E. Here we go. If you press B, then it may be possible that flash fill treat it as the first B, but we want the fourth one. So we took 2 different samples to provide input to the flash fill. Now we have the company code and we will extract the pair category from here. We simply apply the VLOOKUP formula. We look up this from this data, F4 for locking the range, and we take the second cell, second column, and then 0, press enter. And this time we are not going to press Ctrl E, we are going to press Ctrl D, that is the short command for putting the formula in every cell. Here we go. Let's take another example. Suppose we have GST numbers and we want to extract the PAN card number. Normally the PAN card number starts from the third digit in GST number and continue 10 digits and letters are the PAN card number. So we simply write the PAN card number from the first GST number. It is BAZ BA 3244S, and we simply select all the cells and press Ctrl E. We extracted the PAN card number. Now the starting 2 digit in the GST number indicate the state code. So first of all we extract the number from the GST number and then we convert it in the state name. So here we face another challenge. Suppose we write 23 in this, but when we write 04 it will convert it in the 4. So to avoid this issue we simply select all the cells, right click on it, go to the format cells, and in custom we simply write 20 so that all the 2 digits appear here. Press OK, and now you can simply press Ctrl E. Here we go. And now we can extract the name of the state by simply putting the VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP this, and this is the range. We select to upper cells and press Shift Ctrl down arrow and then press F4, 2, 0. And again we press Ctrl D to apply the formula in all cells. We press Ctrl D instead of Ctrl E. Here we get the names of the states. Let's take another example. We have some names over here and we have put some names in red color to make you understand something, and here we have the genders. With this example we will revise all the problem we faced earlier and it will give you the perfection to work with the flash fill. So let's start with the first name. So here we want to extract the first name from all these names. We simply write the Rajesh and select all the cells beside the data and press Ctrl E. Now we move to the mid name, that is Kumar in this case, KUMAR. Select all the cells and press Ctrl E. Now we have 3 words in all the names except the Savita Kumari and Will Smith. So it took Savita as a mid name and as the first name, and same is the case with the Will Smith. So to remove this kind of issue, simply write second input for the flash fill. Here we write Kumari. if you want to put Kumari as a mid name. Select all the cells and press Ctrl E. It took automatically Smith as the mid name. And the second option is remove the data. If you don't want the Kumari as the mid name, so you can write it as a X and select all the cells and press Ctrl E. So in both this case, it took X as a mid name. Now move to the last name, SONI. Select all the cells and press Ctrl E. So it took Kumari and Smith as the last name this time. Now move to the next. Here we want to convert the name in this format, and we write r.k.soni. Select all the cells and press Ctrl E. Again we face another problem in this data here, because we have already told that your data should be symmetrical, but if it is not, then it definitely FlashFill will create problem. So it is always advisable to first of all convert your data in the proper format, that either you can apply the equal to proper function or you can do it with the FlashFill. So first of all we have to change this name. Here Tommy Lee John, the first letter in mid name and last name is the small letter. It is not the case with others name. So we convert it in capital. Here again, even after converting it, it may create problem because our FlashFill picks the information from previous column from here. If you change it, then it is maximum chances that it will create it will pick the information from this column. So it is better to remove all these columns so that it directly pick the information from the very first column. So now we write again r.k.soni. This is the advanced example to make you understand everything. Ctrl E. So it run perfectly. Now we convert the format from SONI r.k. and now press Ctrl E. It did its job perfectly. Let's move to the next. This time we want to give the title to all the names on the basis of the gender, Mr. and Mrs. So first of all we select all the heads and press Shift Ctrl L to filter, and we select the gender one by one. First of all we work on the female. We write first name, start with the Mrs. Kumari BARKHA Barkha Devi, and select all the three cells and press Ctrl E. So we applied the FlashFill to all. Now we select the male and apply the Mr. with name. So we write MR dot Rajesh Kumar and Sony. Now in MR the second letter is R, and it may consider this R as a second letter. To avoid this kind of issue, you give another input to the FlashFill. If you not do it, then in second case it, instead of writing Mr. MR, it will write MV. In third case it will write MT. To avoid that, we write MR dot Vikas Kumar Sharma as a second input. We select all cells and press Ctrl E. Now remove the filter and check Mr. and Mrs. It perfectly worked. Let's move to the last and critical sample data for you. Suppose we have some dates and we want to extract the day from it. So we simply write 23 and select all the cells and press Ctrl E. But now if you want to extract the month from here, then if you write 808, then it automatically remove the 0. So there are two options, as we have already told you. Either you start it with the quote sign. If you put the quote sign, then you cannot work further on the date because it converts the date into the text. So there is another option. you select all the cells, and from format cell you simply go to the custom and write 20 so that it remain in the numbers. Now you can put 08, it show the 2 digit, or if you work it with only 8 then it creates a problem. Control E. Now we want to extract the year. Select all the cells and press Ctrl E. Now move to the next. Suppose we want to convert this date into this format. So we write 23 and 08. Here is the no problem because if you write 0 it will remain there. 2019. Select all the cells and press Ctrl E. If in case your month is without 0, then if you want to apply this format, then definitely it creates problem because the 3 months are in the single number, single digit, and the last one is the 2 digit, and it became your data more critical. Let's move to the next. Suppose we want to extract some information from here. So first of all we extract the month, JAN, very simple. Okay, we remove it. Now we extract the date, 15, Control E, it works. And now we want to extract the year, 2016, it works very well. So by this we want to close this session, and we hope you have understood all the challenges you can face while working with the flash fill. And please make sure while you are working with the flash fill, always keep your data symmetrical and try your best to keep all the text in the proper format. And if you are applying the flash fill in some column, then always keep your source data in the left side of it so that it will work perfectly. So hope you have enjoyed the session and learned lots of things about the flash fill. No matter we have deliberately put some challenges, but it will definitely help you while you're working with the flash fill, because when you work then challenges will come, and if you have already faced them then definitely you work perfectly. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.